Speak. Pretty. Do pretty. Hold it. Hold it. Good boy. Video. Come on.
Bear hunting.
Come on.
I'll butcher him. Where's he going?
Come on, you want it?
Big Bass Lake, partner.
Come on.
About 20 miles northwest.
Come and get it. Come on. Okay, sit.
What do you say,
Boots.
Charles? Huh?
Boots. Come here.
We,
Sit. Sit.
should we chance it?
Speak.
Careful of what?
Speak.
It's a dead fall.
Speak.
What's a dead fall? It's a pit.
Speak. Over here. Pay attention.
It's a pit.
Speak.
It's a bear pit. So what do you say? Should
Speak.
we press on? Should we be bold?
Pretty.
You really need to find this guy?
Good boy. Hold it. Hold it.
Good plan today.
Good
is better than
boy.
a perfect plan tomorrow. That's absolutely right. What do you say?